What's going on, YouTube? I'm back again today with the third installment of the PvP Live Commentary Sunset Weapons series. Today we're going to be using Austringer plus Beloved. This hand cannon is a 140 RPM. This is the roll that I got, Extended Barrel Accurized Snapshot Rampage. This thing feels pretty good at dueling. Snapshot really helps out. Rampage doesn't really do too much for it. Your crit hit goes from a 70 to a 77. But this is the roll that I had in the vault, and this is what I used to use. Then we have a Beloved Snapshot Quick Draw, which is like the previous God roll. I also have a Notice Reactions Box Breathing that we might try using. This is the one that I used to main. And I got this one like later on after. I used to love this thing for not getting flinched and taking out supers. We also have an Avalanche on today, under pressure, high impact. We're going to be running Middle Tree Night Stalker for the flawless execution, and we're going to see how it goes.
Watch your back, Guardian. No one else will.
Nice little triple tap there. I feel bad killing that guy off spawn. I was also locked out of shooting it immediately because of the reload. We got a shotgun monkey pushing from the front, hand cannon guy from the back. So far, so good with this thing.
Your legend grows.
Whew, we're both bad. I saw that guy that loaded the rocket there, so I'm going to fall back, get a different approach. So I can flank this guy. He's got an arc soul, or just the no time to explain time portal thing. Maybe both. I couldn't tell. Got that guy. Still a guy back there, looks like. There's a lot of people around. Shotgun guy, gonna run. Looks like I'll get a chance to showcase Avalanche.
What's that you got?
And I get the flawless execution, the wall hacks. See a guy over this way. Oh, I have no sniper ammo.
Now you're fighting with heart, Guardian.
He could have taken me out if he hit that shot. Woo! That felt good. I was shot too early.
5 minutes.
Gonna pop super here. Let's see, we got a guy this way. Two guys this way. I used to remember when Spectral Blades was really OP. Because they've honed it in. Not that many people use Spectral Blades anymore. Still has one of the best mid games. Neutral games, I should say. Not mid game. I played that kind of poorly. I keep forgetting how spike days work. Gotta place it off a wall. I'm so used to using a vortex grenade. Looks like we still got a guy back here. Just go for the double body shot.
Finish them.
I love the way the sniper feels. I honestly miss it. Let's get the reload, the handling, the shot. I got flinched. See if I can live. Toss this down. Ooh, I saw on the radar for a second a guy behind, but I didn't give him any respect. See if we can get this Fist of Havoc guy.
3 minutes left. You're in the lead.
Looks like he went left. No, I hear him back there. He's just sitting. He must have been BMing somebody. I guess I could grab this ammo, showcase Avalanche to close it out. Maybe on this guy back here if he pushes. Yup.
First place. You call that a win? I call it a massacre.
That was a pretty good game.
Your spirit is unrivaled. Show me more.
Honestly, I love the feel of the Beloved. I've tried sniping since then using some of the new things, but the 40 zoom is such a big factor for me. A lot of the new snipers that people like to use are 50s, which I have a hard time adjusting to, and the snapshot quick draw, especially with the Dragon Shadow, just really feels good for like aggressive sniping when you're not trying to just like hold the angle with the no distractions box breathing. And as you saw, the Austringer also put in a ton of work. Snapshot is just such a fantastic feeling perk. You know, feeling snappy in PvP. And even Avalanche, it was underrated at the time, in my opinion. Especially this role, this under pressure, high impact. The under pressure, getting that extra stability really helps because this thing has quite a bit of kick. And the high impact dealing, I think some of my shots there dealt 44 as opposed to the usual like 41, 42, 43. Depending on the level of, I think 41 is the normal, and then depending, I guess, on how far into the end of the mag you are, it might increase more and more. But yeah, we'll give this another game or two. There's some decent sniper lanes, but this is a lot of close quarters combat for this map. We'll see how it goes.
You'll find no allies on this battlefield. Fight.
Looks like we got a guy to the left here, who is no longer there. Crimson down here looks like, rushing me with a shotgun. Let's see what type of angle this guy wants to get. This one. Ooh, nice flinch. I'm getting flanked. Ooh, almost got him. With that little cheeky crouch, made him miss a shot. See if I can steal a kill, maybe? Maybe someone will come up into this angle. Beneath me. Got him. Getting flanked from outside. There were a lot of enemies collapsing there. What do we got here? Oh, see that shot like that is just so crisp. Honestly, I need to do some more sniping. Sounds like a dead man's tail, maybe someone's using it. Guy in front of me. Got the rampage proc. See if we can do anything with it. Anybody out this way? Just huck a nade, see if that does anything. Looks like they traded. Guy might be flanking. Hit him with the 1-2. Heal up a bit.
Your legend grows.
Looks like we're getting flanked. I think he's using that Traveler's Chosen at such a long range. Not sure what that guy's doing. Whew. There's a Blinky boy. Wow, I don't even know how that killed. Sounds like he was low enough. Maybe it gave me a phantom precision shot or something.
Only 5 minutes left. Fight until there's nothing left.
Oh, I thought I was shadow shot. Down beneath me.
Now make it rain.
Grab heavy ammo. Use the wall hacks that we got. One just came through. We'll just let this run out. Pull out Avalanche. Chase him. What do we got going on? I don't want to be there. I got a longish range weapon. What do we got? Do I push up in here? Maybe I'll push up in here. Get a different approach. Ooh, Dead Man's Tail gunned me down. And I gave him heavy ammo. After he hit that first shot, I probably should have backed up. See if we can get an angle on this guy. Nope. A lot of dodging. Dance! Danced on me. Okay. He's angry. Ooh, there's that 190.
You're nearly there. Fight on and claim victory. 3 minutes left. You're in the lead.
Whew. That was a little questionable. Ah, can't get that 2 precision 1 body if they have the high enough resilience. Let's see, what do we got? Guy behind. Nice little 1, 2, 3. Make sure I don't get hit by a Goldie gun. Ooh, nice. I went for a cheeky peek, didn't get it. And that does it.
Are you happy? You killed everyone. Don't do this outside the crucible. No one in that arena can stand against you.
As you can see, wow, that guy got out of here quick. That advanced on me. This sniper just feels really, really good to use. I wish there were a sniper that felt as good as this. I unfortunately just have not found one that I like as much as this one currently. Which is sad because I can't use it for like trials or Iron Banner. I would still be sniping. You know, like as you can see, I put a lot of kills in snipers in the past. I think I have equal, maybe like 7,500 snipers and like 7,400, something like that. I can't remember what the numbers are, but I have a very equal spread of sniper and shotgun kills in the Crucible on Destiny 2. I do want to get my fusion numbers up. I was a D1 fusion enthusiast, which is why this main ingredient, I picked it up and have been loving it. I think we can get another game in all honesty. I've been having a lot of fun with this combo. I want to use it for another one. Widow's Court, fantastic map from Destiny 1.
Rumble.
As always, if you guys have any suggestions on the next
No choice but to load
loadout to use, you know, don't be afraid to leave a comment. Ooh, just got outgunned. Missed my shots. Well played from him. Let's see, what do we got? A guy on either side, looks like. Quick little triple tap. Guy from behind to be pushed. Doesn't look like it. Ooh, I wanted to steal that, but I whiffed. Whiffed again. I'm gonna back up here, get a different approach. Maybe get this heavy. Use this avalanche.
Good. Show your enemy what a real fight looks like.
Just absolutely shreds. Machine guns are really great at shredding.
Your enemy can't kill if they're dead.
Get this guy off spawn. Whew. That's slow. Almost got me. Got a heal. Oh, guy flanking from the back too. Ah, I shouldn't have peeked. I should have just stayed hidden. So we got a. This guy's chasing hard. Was able to survive, but the top guy is just getting kills on the other side of the map. Looks like we got a guy up here. If you miss one shot on your dueling, it's rough. I don't know if I got flinched or just didn't pull down hard enough for it. That was close. I almost threw that, even though I had the engagement.
5 minutes.
Nice. See if we can come back. What do we got? What do we got? That was a snipe. Didn't know if it was gonna be left or right, and then I got the initial flick, couldn't get the follow-up shots. Guy right in front of me, apparently. I'll take that kill. spectral blades somewhere. Whew. He came out left this time, but still got him. Ah, that guy had some nice peaks, jiggle peaks. That guy must not have had 2 resilience.
Oh,
Got
I
the
can't wait to see
1
what
body,
you do
2
with that.
precision. See what we can do with this Avalanche. Can't believe I lived that.
The enemy almost won.
Whew. That was kind of close.
Now you're fighting
Ooh.
with heart, Guardian. Three minutes. You're in second.
This is coming down to the wire. Haven't seen that top guy in a while. Sounds like he's this way. Ooh, that guy just spawned and I wasn't able to get an angle on him. He might close it out right here. Nobody got time for heavy.
Second place.
Ah,
Not bad.
jeez.
Not bad at all. Let the sting of this defeat
Yeah, that's okay.
feed your fire.
This was still a really good game from me. And I think that showcases the lethality of this combo. Even Avalanche too. All pair really well if you like to crouch and get the flawless execution going. I didn't get it going too much this game, but you most certainly can with a sniper build. So yeah, that will probably wrap up this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, leave a comment on any weapons you want me to use in the next video. And I appreciate you guys watching my videos. We'll catch you till the next time. Peace.